I've recently been promoting these two very interesting products. One called this digital dog training course and this other one called the stress-free golf swing on this new website called Mig, and have seen $164.70 in the last 24 hours promoting these two products using completely free traffic with this brand new website that I've not spoken about before. And I'm documenting this video here hopefully that you can see what I did with this so that hopefully you can do the same. And you can actually build a much bigger business over time with this if you actually put daily effort into this and consistency into this, as your following base is going to grow more and more. It's got nothing to do with YouTube, Instagram, or any social media platform. It's a really new platform where you can build a big following audience and make constant affiliate commissions with this. If you want to learn more, let's get straight into this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software developer and mentor from South Africa, documenting my journey on this channel on how to make money online. If you're new to the channel and want to get the latest tips, tricks and ways to make money online, go down below and subscribe with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one, so that you can be the first to that to make the most money online. And also on my second channel, Millennium Mindset Plus, I'm doing the same thing and doing a $0 to $100,000 challenge, and I'm having a giveaway in every single video. You'll see my latest video, I announced the winner of the $10 giveaway challenge or the $10 giveaway competition. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to be doing the same. I'm actually going to be posting on this channel after this video, so make sure to go down below to the first link in the description of this video to go subscribe to this channel if you want to get free courses and daily PayPal money giveaways. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the website that I'm talking about in this video is called Mix.com. Now, Mix.com is a very new website that I haven't seen much about. I came across one or two other YouTube videos on YouTube about this, very few of them, and I thought, okay, I can actually build an idea with making money online with this particular website. So what you actually do, or what this website is all about, is basically people come onto this website, they suggest different websites such as articles, blogs, forums, you name it, different posts around the internet, kind of like a database of the best ones where people can do research, find topic ideas, where they want to search, for example, how to perfect your golf swing. You can find all sorts of content on this website, but at the same time, you can recommend different articles and websites and you name it and build a following base at the same time. And this is very easy to use. So this, as it says, Mix finds the internet's hidden gems by using machine learning, editor picks and best-in-class publishers, which could be you. And with a little help from friends, which is basically other people on the internet, you can save and share your favorite finds from others to discover. The more you mix, the better it gets for all of us. Together, they basically make the internet a better place. So what they're doing is they're collecting the best resources on the internet for research purposes, but you as a publisher can go and suggest these websites yourself, build an audience. So instead of like Instagram posts on Instagram and building a following audience, here you're just suggesting some interesting websites on specific topics, like the example I used, how to master a golf swing or how to teach your dog different tricks, stuff like that. So all you want to do is you want to come back up to the top over here and you want to sign in with your Google account, which is completely for free. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page over here. If we come to the top, you just have to pick a few things that you're into and they are going to show you content based on what you like. So for example, let's go and do that. I like cars. Let's choose cars. Let's choose business. Let's choose, I know anything with cooking, not environment, cooking and fitness is a great, fitness and health, always a good niche to choose. And also one that I like perhaps is sports. So now that I've chosen 5, you're going to click on continue over here. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page over here. And the next step is very simple. All you got to do is go down below and smash that like button, because it really pumps me up to make videos like this to help you guys out in making money online when I see the positivity, when I see the likes. So definitely go down below, leave a like on this video, which makes me keen to go and make more awesome videos just like this one. But as you can see on the screen over here, there are a whole bunch of different people that have been recommended to me based on my interests that I've chosen. For example, this person over here is all about Dash News. So since I chose business, it probably is all related to business news. There's a person over here, you can see technology, Impact Alpha, which is all about global trends, impact investing. So again, business. And these are different people, like it said on the homepage of this website, that are sharing gems around the internet. So whether they recommend news business pages in the different niches, or they recommend a blog or some kind of article, what they're doing is they're recommending some of the best content and websites around the internet and putting into one central place here on Mix.com, and people are basically following them for that. So you can see here the Telegraph is a good example. They currently got 12k followers, all about news. So what they do is they'll go and recommend some of the best news sites and websites, articles, blogs with maybe the best resources. They come and list it on here and recommend that to people, and people then follow them for that. So let me open up one of these guys. Let me open up the Telegraph and take a look at this. Here you can see some of the posts that they've recommended, such as one from the Telegraph, I'm a Celebrity 2020, when does it start? What I actually want to find is anything that's got to do with sport. Okay, let's choose this person over here, involved with cooking. So yeah, you can see she, or this person here, is recommending different resources. For example, how to make a savory, cheesy bacon and onion pie. It's an interesting dish, something that people search for. So what she does is she goes and recommends the best article or website or blog on the specific recipe and lists it on her Mix profile and builds an audience for that. So let's actually click on this and we can actually have a look here. Take a look at this. I actually want to show you one thing that is actually very important about this page. Read through this. You can actually see, if I scroll throughout this article, the amount of links that are through this article. So you can actually see it. Take a look at this. Dough, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and she's actually linked. If I open this up in a new tab, I can actually see the link in the bottom left here, that this is a link to an Amazon affiliate product. So basically, when people come over to this website, they want to make, for example, this dish, they then want to buy the specific ingredients. All they do is click on the link, buy this product with Amazon, and boom, this lady on Mix.com who made this article is getting tons of commissions online through Amazon through her affiliate link, because she simply just made a simple article like this, and she's already building quite a big following basis. You can see 1.2k followers on her Mix account. So she's getting constant views on her different mixes or different articles that she's recommending. We take a look at all of this. You can't imagine the amount of clicks that she's getting on all of these, the amount of clicks on her affiliate links, the amount of daily sales, all simply because she's been putting in effort over the time, and effort that she's put in from years back is still paying off now because people are still viewing this and clicking on her different articles with different affiliate links. And I also want to show you something interesting. I did a quick background check on the website Mix.com and take a look at this. So they are currently ranked the 18,551st biggest website in the United States. Currently just under the 38,000th biggest website in the world, which is a very good ranking. Ultimately, because remember, there's millions of websites on the internet. So to be at 37,000 is a very good ranking. And they're getting about 1.2 million views every single month. So this website is getting a lot of traffic. It's not that it's just one of these websites that someone made that gets no traffic, but that looks good. This is a legitimate traffic with good reviews, and mostly getting traffic from top tier countries. So essentially what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you how you can create an account like this on Mix.com and get articles on you without actually producing them yourself, and getting a ton of affiliate links into this article, promoting them and getting sales through that, which then leads us to the next step on clickbank.com. So the 2 products that I used was in the sport niche over here. So if I click on sports, this one over here, where you can see vertical jump training, which is an entire obviously jump training course or whatever that could be. But the one I did was a stress-free golf swing. So I then kind of created like an article all around how to master your golf swing, and kind of included my affiliate link throughout that. So what you can do is, you actually suggest clicking on this affiliate page over here, so you can go get a ton of affiliate resources, and you're actually going to earn 75% commission per sale, which is $55.10 per sale that you're going to make. And usually on this affiliates page of the specific product that you've chosen, you get a ton of resources such as tools and resources for promotions. So this we can actually keep here, as we can go and use this to build our page. So we want to come over to another website called blogger.com. And what we can go and do here is, we can go and create our own blogs and basically get influence from other websites with a built-in tool that Blogger has that kind of imports it for you, which is really interesting. And then we can go and list our blogs on Blogger on Mix.com and get a lot of affiliate sales there. So you want to click on this website, click on create your blog. And for the title of our blog, we can just type something. For example, if we're choosing the golf swing product, let's go mastering the perfect golf swing. Then we can click on next, and over here we can go choose a name for our domain. So this is a URL to our blog. Again, we can go get some influence from their landing page over here. So let's actually click on the landing page and take a look at this. So let's just go, since they're calling it, I would say consistent golf, we can go and use the same. So let's go consistent golf swing golfswing.blogspot.com. We can click on next. For the display name, we can again just go mastering the perfect golf swing in 30 minutes. We can then click on finish, and it's going to then take us to this page where we can go and build our blog. So then what we can do is simple. We can come over to Google and we can type mastering the golf swing. We want to find some other websites or blogs that is on how to master the golf swing. So let's go have a look at this one over here, golftips.golfweek.com. How do I master a driver golf swing? Let's copy that as a heading. We can use that here as our title. We can centerize that over here. And as you can see here, guys, I just kind of used influence from and throughout this article to build my little article on Blogger. So you can see I just put here as a heading, how do I master a golf swing? The driver is the club that will get you the most distance. So just like a kind of a little introduction that I got off of this website. And then I used the 5 steps over here on how to master your golf swing as my 5 simple step process to master your golf swing. But what I want you to notice is I've kind of got here a clickable link that says click here to access the awesome golf swing video training, kind of getting them to upgrade from these little 5 steps to an entire video training of the golf swing. And all we're going to do is come back to ClickBank, click on promote of our, in this case, the golf swing product, click on generate, click on copy your link, and you can come back to blog over here, highlight this, and you just click over here on the link, insert link, paste this here, and you click on apply. You can maybe make this a little bit bigger if you want to. Instead of normal, let's go large. Let's make this centerize it again, center align, and there we go. And I would say this is perfect. So you're giving them the 5 simple step process on how to master a golf swing, and then you've got a link here to an entire video training, which is this entire consistent golf affiliate product and course that we got on ClickBank, where we're going to make $55, 10 per sale. And what we should also do is just quickly before we go and publish this, let's go highlight a couple of texts throughout this article as well. And we want to go add links throughout this article as well. So the more clickable links, the more chances that they'll click on your link. So let's go, for example, weight on the back foot. Let's highlight that. And we click on add link over here, insert link, just paste our affiliate link again, click on apply. Over here, keep your hands cocked. Let's go add a link over here, apply, and let's say take the club back. And we hit on that link and we click on apply. And over here as well, we could go highlight here, master the driver swing. We highlight that and we just add a link. So again, I'm just adding my affiliate link throughout this article, not only to this one big link. Once this is ready, we can go click on publish, click on confirm. And here you can see is my newly posted article on how to master the golf swing. So just to show you, if I view this in a new tab, take a look at my landing page. So you can see this is what my entire blog looks like. People can enter their own comments, but take a look at this. When people click on this, it's going to take them through my affiliate link to this landing page over here, where they can go and see all this video training over here. Here you can see when they upgrade to one of these video products on ClickBank is going to pay you $55 and 10 cents per sale that you make. And now simply all we do is we copy the link of our entire blog post. We come back over here to Mix.com. Let me just go back to my account over here, and you want to click over here, get started by adding a link. All you want to do is paste your link over here on Mix.com, just waiting for this to load, and then we click on Mix, and that's it. Now we can add a collection as well if you want to, so we can create our own collection. But if you want to do that, you click on done. But here you can collect all your posts and build an audience out of this. Now at the same time, Blogger is also the kind of platform if people like your post and you've got a good little thumbnail, people can click on this, so you can get traffic on blogger.com as well as Mix.com. So I suggest go build a whole bunch of articles like this, add them to your page on Mix, start building a following, go follow, unfollow other people on Mix.com, comment on other posts, and build an audience on Mix.com to get more people to see your posts. Eventually you can get to a stage like all these other people over here have built 1.3k followers, 15k followers, 15k, 2.5k, and they've just been doing what I taught you in this video on a consistent basis, building an audience and getting more and more affiliate sales over time with this. Eventually you could build a business that generates $300 a day just in free traffic off of Mix.com. That's the potential with this. But what I'm going to do is on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to a playlist called Affiliate Marketing 2020, where I've got about 100 videos in this entire playlist course that will teach you different strategies just like this one on how to make more money online with affiliate marketing. So if you want to to learn some high income skills about affiliate marketing, I suggest go and check out this playlist, as it really will teach you some great skills on how to master affiliate marketing and make some commissions online. But without further ado, make sure you go check out this playlist, and I'll see you there.